Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of December 3rd, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. The elementary report cards were distributed on Friday, December 3rd. Monday begins the elementary holiday shop. The holiday shop will be operating through Monday, December 13th. Students can purchase holiday gifts for family and friends at the shop. Parents should have received a flyer with an envelope attached to it in order to send in the money. Money can also be added to a voucher for the student to use. Instructions are on the flyer. Tuesday, December 7th at 4:30 p.m. will be our Google Meets elementary training on understanding your child's report card, progress monitoring, and ESOL. I will email the link to virtually attend. Wellness Week at the elementary campus will begin on December 13th. Winter break is December 23rd through January 4th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, everyone. My name is Marie Terciero. I'm the Executive Director at Palm Beach Maritime Academy, and I know most of you. What I have to say today is not going to be very pleasant. Parents, I need your help, and we need it desperately. We're having issues here, and this is something that we've really not had much of before, involving some disrespect by students for the teachers. Please talk to your children about how they speak to the teachers. I will not tolerate my teachers being disrespected. They work way too hard. I know that we're coming off a pandemic. I know that the kids have to get used to being back at school, but it's now December, so they should be well used to it. Please let them know they need to be respectful. They need to do what they're told. And parents, if the teachers call you to discuss your child, please understand that they're doing it in order that the consequences don't escalate, and so that you can help us out by speaking with your child. That would be very, very much appreciated. The second thing I want to talk about is something called TikTok challenges. I'm sure some of you have heard of them. Certainly everybody in the middle and high school knows about them. And what they are is a series of challenges that have been posted on TikTok that are very unpleasant. They are not nice things. They suggest things like hitting people, destroying bathrooms, so forth and so on. We've had a couple of TikTok challenges here. Rest assured that people who are doing them are subject to consequences up to and including dismissal from the school, which we have done, and also the school will press charges. I don't like to do that with children. I really, really don't. So again, please talk to your kids, monitor what they're doing. The final thing I want to talk about is cell phone usage. Our rule is that cell phones need to be kept inside a backpack. They need to be off. If we hear them, we take them, we confiscate them, and you have to come in and pick them up. Unfortunately, we have students who feel that it's okay to film people in class without their permission or to take their pictures. Please remind you that that is illegal. It's a misdemeanor. It could rise to the level of a felony, depending on what's in it. We've had a serious incident with it this week, and consequences do involve and did involve the police. The reason why I'm talking to you about this now is because most of our students are here to learn and want to learn. Most of our parents send their children here because of the education that we provide. But understand that we will not tolerate students disrupting that environment, being disrespectful to our teachers who work very, 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 very hard, using cell phones inappropriately, because we don't have to let children bring cell phones to school, and I don't want to get to that point with certain kids. And I ask you please to monitor your children's media usage, because what they do on those cell phones and those computers you are liable for. You pay the bill, the phones, I'm sure, are in your names because they're all minors. So please, please, please talk to your kids, because if you can stop it from happening, then I don't have to put in significant and serious consequences. So I want to thank you for this time. When you see all the happy children in the rest of the video, you'll realize that that's what we're here working for, and to preserve that environment. So thank you again. Have a wonderful weekend.
Hello parents, this is Cap, secondary principal here at Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Just a couple of things that I want to make you aware. We're getting ready to enter the winter break, and it's very important for students to complete a packet that we are going to prepare for them as we get closer and closer to FSA. So please help us with this initiative so that we can get our students to complete the packet that we are going to send with them during the winter break, because when we come back, we have to hit the ground running and get the students further prepared to take the FSA. Again, thank you so much for your support each and every day.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak. I'm the elementary school counselor. I just wanted to briefly get on today to let you know that our Positivity Project continues. Every week we look at a different character strength. So this week it's been Kindness Week. We've been looking at how to be kind, what to say, what to do to spread kindness and show kindness to those around us. Thanks to Ms. Braylo's class, they have continued to practice one of our kindness pledges, so I'm excited to introduce you to their words.
I pledge to myself on this day to try and be kind in every way. To every person, big and small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best time I can do.
Fourth grade and kindergarten visited Sandaway House. They had a fantastic time. They interacted with lionfish, gopher turtles, and so much more. Let's see what's going on in secondary art.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Higgins. I'm the art teacher at the secondary campus. I'm here to show you the 6th grade midterm assignments that they have done. Here's some examples here. What I had the students do is sketch and color an artwork by Henri Matisse, and then they went ahead and did the bubble maps going over all the different elements of art. So they identified all the elements of art that they saw in the artwork.
And finally, here are our Sharks of the Month celebrating by enjoying popcorn with the principal. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.